Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi guys! So today we will be cooking one of the requested recipe from our YouTube channel. And this is beef gyudon requested by Tito Jose. Tara! Let's cook it using Koizumi Grill Pot. So now let's cook beef gyudon. So for our beef gyudon, the ingredients we're going to use are cooked Japanese rice, slurry, egg yolk, some leeks for garnish, and then of course our beef. And then for our vegetable, we have onion and carrots. And then for the sauce, soy sauce, water, white sugar, mirin, and dried shiitake mushroom. The first step for our beef gyudon, let's mix our sauce. We have here hot water, add our soy sauce, mirin, white sugar, and then shiitake mushroom. Once hydrated na yung shiitake mushroom natin, just squeeze it lang and then ready na siya for our sauce. So once rehydrated na yung mushroom natin, we have to squeeze it. That's it. We can use it now for our gyudon. So let's start cooking our gyudon. Open our Koizumi Grill Pot with medium heat. Oil to our pan. Let's add our beef. Season it with salt. Mix lang natin. So now, pwede natin lakasan yung heat natin to high heat. Add our onions, carrots. By the way guys, Koizumi Grill Pot is 2000 watts, very easy to use, glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. Then add our gyudon sauce. Then add slurry. So medyo thick na yung sauce natin and reduce na rin siya, okay na. Let's plate it na. Let's get our bowl in our Koizumi dish dryer. So this is it, our beef gyudon requested by Tito Jose.